Hello friends and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all how to make these amazing Buffalo Chicken Ranch empanadas. They're so delicious and super easy to make, so make sure to stick around and watch. To make these Buffalo Chicken Ranch empanadas, I will be using 1 shredded chicken breast, 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, the empanada dough discs, I'm using the 5-inch ones, the Goya brand, half of the cream cheese pack, about 1 cup of the sharp cheddar cheese, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ranch. I'm first going to begin by cooking my chicken breast in the Instant Pot. You can just use canned chicken breast or make it on the stove. I'm simply going to be using 1.5 cups of water and adding a packet of the chicken bouillon into that 1.5 cup of water and mixing it all together. After I do that, I'm going to place my 1 chicken breast inside my Instant Pot and place the water and bouillon mixture over it. Then I cover up the Instant Pot and I'm going to be cooking the chicken at high pressure for about 10 minutes. This is enough time for my chicken to get really nice and soft and it becomes very easy to shred. I'm letting my chicken do a natural release for 10 minutes and then after those 10 minutes just doing a quick release of whatever the pressure is that is left in there. Then I'm opening up the lid and using 2 forks I'm going to shred my chicken. If you find it easier to shred your chicken in a separate plate, you can do that as well. After I'm done shredding my chicken, I drained out all the juices from there and placed the chicken back in the Instant Pot. I'm then turning on the saute mode and adding half of the packet of the cream cheese into the pot. Since the pot is getting hot, this will melt all of my cheese evenly in there together and it makes it very easy to mix. Now, this particular recipe makes enough for 1/10 pack of the 5-inch of the empanada discs. If you want to make more than that, just simply double the recipe by adding an extra chicken breast in there and using the entire packet of the cream cheese. So using my fork, I'm simply going to mix that cream cheese in there with the chicken, add 2 tablespoons of the ranch. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the hot sauce because that's just the heat that my kids and my husband like inside their empanadas. If you want to add more hot sauce to your mix, please feel free to make it as hot as you want to make it. After everything is done mixing together, I am going to add half a cup of the cheddar cheese into the mixture. At this point, I turned off the Instant Pot because the pot does get hot and I don't want anything to burn. The heat will be plenty to melt all the cheese in there. So using the fork, I'm just combining everything together and the cheese is going to melt and it's just going to be one nice mix. Now that the mixture is done, I'm going to go ahead and put my empanadas together. I found these pre-cut parchment papers at the Dollar Tree and these are awesome. I'm so in love with them. It makes for super easy, quick cleanup, and when it comes to making empanadas, parchment paper for me is the way to go because it's not sticky and they just sit there very, very well. So pretty much what I'm doing is adding some of the cheddar cheese on the disc first. Using a regular spoon, I'm spooning some of the mixture in the empanadas, and then using a fork, I'm pressing the sides down. I like to do one side and then the other side. And these Goya Empanada discs already come with this paper that separates each disc. I simply use that in between each empanada that I make so that they don't get stuck together. As you can see, I was able to make one entire pack of 10 with this mixture. Now is time to fry these guys up. I'm using just regular vegetable oil in my cast iron pan to fry these. I would say the oil is about 1 inch in depth and I have my heat at about a medium high to heat them up, and then I always bring it down to a medium. I'm cooking each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see that nice gold on the top. So once I cook one side for 2 to 3 minutes, I turn it over, cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes, and then with paper towel, I line a plate so so that it collects any of the excess oil. Now that these are done, it's time to enjoy them. And my kids absolutely love these things. I'm still on the hunt for a gluten-free empanada recipe. I'm trying to figure it out so that it's nice and elastic and not super sticky. So I'm still there. I'm still trying to figure this out. But for those of you who do not require a gluten-free diet, these are absolutely perfect. My kids and my husband absolutely love these. Now is your turn to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.